In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slicer in Microsoft Excel. We'll be working with an Excel workbook that contains data in a simple range, and the goal is to turn that data into a table so we can use a slicer to filter it quickly and visually. Slicers are especially helpful when you want an easy, clickable way to filter data without opening drop-down menus. To begin, open your Excel workbook. Make sure it contains either an Excel table or data that can be converted into one. In this example, the sample data is placed in cells A1 through C6. Before doing anything else, take a quick look at your data and confirm that it includes headers at the top of each column, since that will be important in the next step. Now select your entire data range. In this example, that's A1 to C6. Once the full range is selected, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. In the Tables group, click Table. A confirmation window will appear, showing the range Excel detected. Here, make sure the option labeled My Table Has Headers is checked. This tells Excel to use the first row as your column headings, then click OK. Excel will immediately convert the selected range into an official Excel table. With the table created, click anywhere inside it. This is important because Excel needs to know which table you want to work with. After that, go to the Table Design tab, which may also appear simply as Table depending on your version of Excel. Look for the option called Insert Slicer and click it. A dialog box will open, showing the available column names from your table. Choose the field you want to filter by. In this example, select Category, then click OK. Excel will place a slicer on the worksheet for that selected field. You'll now see the slicer appear as a small panel with clickable buttons. To filter your data, click one of the slicer buttons, such as Electronics. As soon as you do, Excel will show only the rows that match that category. This makes it much easier to focus on specific information at a glance. After applying the filter, you can view the result directly in the worksheet. Only the matching records remain visible, and the slicer highlights the active selection, so you can clearly see which filter is being used. This is one of the reasons slicers are so useful. They make filtering more visual, more intuitive, and faster to manage. And that's it. That's how to use a slicer in Microsoft Excel.